Hello guys, welcome on program overview in LG washer dryer Vivace. So the first program is a AI wash. How works this function you will find on our other video. The next one is for a cotton. This one is a Eco. This is a turbo wash function. This is for a mixed and a synthetic. The next one is anti-allergic. Now we can go to the delicate. The next one is hand or wool. There we have a speed wash. This is a drying. This is a washing plus drying. And the drum cleanup. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.